guys, this color is incredible. I wanted to bring it in some different lighting here, not in our bay, just to see this paint. It is incredible, absolutely gorgeous. The depth is insane. One of the best blues I have ever seen. Just walking around it, like I said, absolutely gorgeous color. Guys, we have an insane spec right here. We're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And I basically go front to back, inside the engine bay, wheels, tires, underneath. I look at every single panel, and I've spent about 20 minutes with this car going inch by inch, and this thing is near perfect. It has just over 100 miles, I believe. We have the window sticker here, 2 keys, basically everything that it comes with brand new. So here's your options. You got the $6,000 Nouvelle blue lightweight package. You have it all. Really nice MSRP here. Laminated window sticker, like I said, that will be included, as well as the 2 keys. This car does have PPF on it. You have PPF on the entire front clip. So the entire fender, the entire hood, headlights, front bumper, and the carbon piece. You also have it here on the side mirrors, and that extends here to the blue, so that blue is fully protected. And then little pieces throughout the car, kind of on the high impact areas. So you have film right here on that little section, protecting it right there. The carbon trim right here has a protection on it. And so it's kind of weird where it starts. I think it's more for getting in and out of the car, but it starts right here and it ends right here. So I think that's more of just kind of protecting the car from people, their feet, and little stuff like that. You also have it right here on this little edge and extends inside. You have a piece right there. You have it on this little edge right there, and then on the door strip here. And then back here, you have it on that little edge, protecting it, as well as the carbon. So really just like those little corners where things can get hit. Like I said, I have spent quite a while with this car looking at every square inch. Full front clip PPF. I don't see a single rock chip on this entire car. I don't see any scuffs, scratches, anything like that. This whole front end, absolutely perfect. We'll go underneath it. Looks brand new. There's only 1 or 2 little flaws on this car, and you would never see it, and that's on the back diffuser. So we'll get to that in just a second, but that's all the way underneath. It does have a couple little scratches. But here on the wheel, I'll just go through the car with you. Absolutely perfect. Carbon ceramics, red calipers, beautiful piece here. The paint on this car is insane. You definitely have to see it in person. One of the most beautiful blues I think I've ever seen. It is insane. It looks like you can just reach in and your hand will go 4 feet in. The depth is ridiculous. Perfect there. Mirror looks amazing. A-pillar looks awesome. Looks good. No rock chips, no scratches. Pretty much a brand new car. You could put this on the showroom floor at ACURA and it would fit right in. Looks good. Wheels look perfect. Barrels are amazing. Like I said, this thing is incredible. I'm gonna get underneath. Like I said, 0 curb rash. Look under there. Absolutely perfect. Looks brand new. No dirt. Looks awesome. I didn't see any rock chips on that front end, like I said. Just walking around the car. You have the PPF. Of course, you're gonna have some bubbles in the film every once in a while. Little things like that. Looks incredible though. Fender looks good. Wheels perfect. Like I said, I've been inches away like this on every little panel with this car. Looking around, feeling the edges, feeling for rock impacts, things like that. And this thing's perfect. Number 239 of 350, 300 in the US, the other 50 were overseas. Incredible. Okay, the only flaws on this car that I have found, the only two, way under here, you have 4 blades, right? This one right there has a little scratch, and the exact side on that blade closest to the wheel, you have a couple tiny little guys there. So if you get that touched up with a black or a matte black, protect it and hide it. Even PPF those blades. All the other ones are perfect. 0 flaws other than those 2 little guys. All right, looking at the interior, guys, it's brand new as well. Absolutely perfect. Seats look incredible. Full leather. Got the dry carbon bits, look good. Door panel here looks incredible. All the Alcantara, nice and clean. Floor mats are in the trunk. You still have the plastic liner. PPF here. So when you look in this jam from right there to here, you have PPF going across that whole panel. Still plastic on the screen protector. All of this is brand new. 0 flaws. $161 miles on the odometer. You still have the plastic, like I said, on the screen protector. All the dry carbon here looks perfect. Got it on the top side. Alcantara. Looks awesome. Heated seats. Beautiful, beautiful car. Got the garage door openers built in there. You have the eyebrow window tint here and the side windows. That's your cold start. Here on that door panel, it's perfect. 0 flaws. You still have the plastic there. You have PPF in here protecting all of that. So as you get in and out from there to there, full PPF. Seat looks perfect. Red seat belts. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, in the trunk you got your window sticker, of course. You still have the floor mats, front license plate mount. Not quite sure what's in the box, but it's from the factory there. All of this looks incredible. Like I said, car number 239. Smells brand new. Very nice.